Oh yeah, there's one more thing before I forget to tell you. Building a business is a lot about treating the people who you work with kindness and at the same time helping one another grow. You see, building a business is not really just about you. It's not just about you making money. It's not just about you growing alone. But building a business is a lot about knowing how to treat the people that you're working with kindness. Now, why do I say that as something very, very important? Because when you know how to treat people with kindness, it's not just making the other parties, whether you're marketers, whether you're full-time staff, whether you're trainers, whether you're collaborators, whether you're investors, it's not just about making them feel good, but it's about making them feel valued. Making them feel good and valued in turn cultivates you to be a better human being. Why? Because when you do that, you find that you'll be able to take on challenges better, you'll be able to be more mentally tough and resilient, and no matter what happens, you know that you can rely on one another. In business building, we always say that it's a marathon, not a sprint, but did you know that it is not just one person running? Behind, it's more like F1 racing. It's a marathon where you have to go for like 61 laps, but you have an entire team. It's not just the driver who's the one driving that particular vehicle. So treating your team with kindness, with empathy, is extremely important. The next one would be sharing with them ways that together we can grow together. Trying out new ideas together, trying out new projects together, going out on trips together, working on new plans together. And when you do that, when you learn something from it, whether it's through customer service, whether it's through content creation, whether it's through administrative work, we all learn together and together we progress and we get better and better, both in terms of skill as well as in terms of values. So these are the two things. If you ask me what are the top two most important things in building a business, it's about these two things.